Spooktacular for day 2. Let me start out by saying this is not perfect. This is my very first time ever trying this, and after much consideration I decided to just go with it. And I'm just gonna show you what I did. There is some trial and error associated with, so you will see me doing my eyes one way and then switching at some point. I had to completely redo it. So don't expect a completely flawless tutorial. If that's what you're here for, then I'm sorry. I think it's still learnable if you do decide to watch it, which I would much appreciate. But anyways, this is my attempt. I tried, and yeah. So anyways, stick with me, and I will show you how I did this look. Gonna get up close and personal so you can really see what's going on. I'm gonna start out with a brow pencil, because I don't have a brown eyeliner, and I'm gonna start drawing on my forehead. Sounds like a good plan. I feel like I have a little bitty forehead, like there's no room for eyeballs up there. What is going on? Hey. Oh my gosh, like what the hell is that? What is going on here? Okay. I have no forehead. Like, I do not have the space on my head for this. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and fill in my brows. Alright, next I'm gonna take some black eyeliner and make some hairlines in the brows. Okay, and then I'm going to take also another brow product and add some more brown to kind of dull down and blend out the black to make it not so strong. If that's not bold, you don't want the black to be bold. I am going to go ahead and add a small brow kind of thing right here as well on the bottom one. I'm going to do the same thing and make some little hairs. Alright, next I'm going to take some brown and create some shadows. I'm also going to go ahead and do the eyeshadow on these just like my normal eyes. Next, I am going to add a little bit of concealer to highlight certain areas. Alright, next to fill in the eyes with a white. Alright, next I'm going to outline my eye. Alright, next I'm going to go in with a green. Unfortunately, the only green that I have is this olive green to match my eyes, and it's a shimmer, so I don't know how well that's going to work. I'm going to try it anyway. Alright, and then again with the black, I'm just going to outline to create the iris. I'm also going to take some brown and just shade a little bit on the white part. Alright, I am going to take the eyeliner again and kind of define the eyes some more. Time for some lashes. I look freaking crazy right now. I look legit crazy. I'm gonna go back with the brown and try again to highlight and start creating the shape of my nose. I'm starting to see what I did wrong with this. These eyes are bigger than my own eyes and they're supposed to be smaller. It's supposed to be bigger, medium, and then small. So these should have been way smaller and way closer together than what they are, and that's where I messed up. Alright, so what I did, because this has pretty much been an epic fail, what I did is I redid the lower eyes and made them smaller and more inward, like they're supposed to be, but they're not matching. This is like way harder than what I had ever anticipated for it to be. I thought it would be fun and good, and it's just not working out that way. I also attempted the nose, which I just cannot do, and it just doesn't look right, and that's all I got. So we're gonna go with that and just try and just get this done. So next I'm gonna go ahead and draw the second pair of lips under mine. Okay, for the highlight, I'm gonna try actual face paint. Already, and I believe this is the final look. So even though my eyes don't match, it's just all over the place, I still kind of feel like I'm tripping out when I'm looking at it, like, what am I doing right now? So I think it's okay. It's definitely not the best that I've seen, but it works. Now that this is done, I do want to try something kind of funny. I still have my headband on, but let's do it. Hi. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do I look retarded? So hope you guys give me a big thumbs up if you like this. I mean, you gotta give me the like just for trying it, right? Because this was really complicated, like I said before, much more than what I thought it would be, but it was definitely fun to do. So this will complete day 2 of my Halloween Spooktacular event. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. I will be posting every day this week with a different Halloween look. So hope you like this video and stay tuned for tomorrow, day 3. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.